Hey everyone, welcome to this A1 English listening practice. You can use this video to train your listening and comprehension while I speak. Ready? Today I'm going to talk about cooking. I don't know how to cook, so I don't know much about this topic. But I love eating, so I enjoy talking about food in general. I'm lucky because my wife cooks very well. She has a natural talent for cooking. That means I eat well. Let me tell you about some of the things she makes. Since she's Mexican, she loves cooking Mexican food. Sometimes she makes tacos. They're delicious. There are many types of tacos, so she makes different kinds each time. I tried making tacos once, but I don't cook well, so mine weren't very good. My wife's are much better. The only thing I cook well is eggs. I love eggs and eat them almost every morning. I think eggs are the best breakfast food. I usually eat scrambled eggs, but I like other types too. My favorite is Eggs Benedict. It's my best breakfast ever. Have you tried it? My wife also makes pasta, really good pasta. She doesn't buy the boxed kind from the store, she makes it by hand. The noodles taste amazing. Handmade pasta always tastes better. I love all pasta, but my favorite is ravioli. For me, ravioli is the perfect food. Actually, I love all Italian food. When we were in Italy, we ate amazing things. She also cooks a lot of meat. We like having different cuts of steak every week. We try to buy cheap meat because meat can be expensive. We don't want to spend too much. She cooks the meat in a pan. It's easy. Some people use a grill, but we don't have one. Meat tastes good whether it's from a pan or a grill. Meat is always good. I hope she makes some tonight. She also makes really good breakfasts. Her pancakes are great. I like eating them with maple syrup and peanut butter. A little strange, but delicious. She also makes chilaquiles, a common Mexican breakfast. It's my favorite breakfast in the world. It has tortilla chips, salsa, cheese, and cream. I like it with eggs on top. So good. I don't know which is better, breakfast or dinner. In my family, we cook dinner 5 days a week. The other days, we eat out or have dinner with others, sometimes with my parents, sometimes with my sister. Tonight, we're eating with my parents, and my mom will cook. When I was a kid, my mom cooked dinner every weekday. We ate at 6:30 p.m. every evening. Do you eat dinner at the same time every day? In the U.S., it's common for families to eat dinner together. We sit at the table, eat, and talk about our day. Dinner time is important here. In some countries, people eat late, like 8 or 9 p.m., but that's too late for me. I like eating dinner between 5 and 7 p.m. That's a good time for me. What do you like eating for dinner? I like all kinds of food from every country. I can eat anything, and I love trying new foods. Like I said, I don't cook well, but I eat well. Maybe I'll learn to cook in the future, but I don't know. I don't enjoy cooking, and I don't have the talent for it. I prefer eating, not cooking. Luckily, my wife cooks very well, so I don't really need to learn. I'm thankful for that. Okay, we're finished for today. Leave a comment and tell me, do you like cooking? I'll see you in the next video.